How to install Riot Client. Let's get started. First, launch your settings. Now head over to this option, Apps. Navigate to this section, Installed Apps. Now from this list of apps, search for Riot Client. In order to install Riot Client, you'll need to install game within it. Click on three dots and select the option Install. Confirm it. If you get this kind of pop-up, Riot Client is running, you'll need to launch Task Manager. Now at the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Riot. Now you'll need to end tags for all the processes related to Riot. So search for it. After it appears, right-click on it and select the option End Tags. Once you do that, you can come to this page, click on three dots and select Install. Once the game has been installed, you can also install the Riot Client. So this way you can easily install Riot Client on your PC. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.